Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a deep conditioner with just 3 major ingredients, and that's all. And also we're going to be trying out this eating cap for the first time. Let's go. So welcome back to my channel once again. If you're new here, you're absolutely welcome. If you're an old subby, I love you already. So as I said earlier, we're making a deep conditioner with just 3 ingredients. So if you have your rinse out conditioner lying anywhere around, just pick it up. It's time to make a deep conditioner. Okay, so this is my rinse out conditioner, and I'm putting in 1 tablespoon of butter. So I'm using the egg growth butter that I got from Kenny's Naturals. We call it twist and define cream. So that's what I'm using. I'm using 2 tablespoons of my coconut oil. Any oil is fine. Like I said, when it comes to oil, any oil your hair likes or loves is what you should use. So I'm just going to be mixing this. It will take a while for all the lumps from the butter to melt into, or to incorporate into the deep conditioner and into the rinse out conditioner. But guys, just take your time. I didn't want to melt the butter because I was going for this particular consistency, the thick consistency, because we're going to be making a deep conditioner. So that's our deep conditioner, guys, and this is how my hair looks like. I want to show you how the deep conditioner looks like, but oops, I made a mess and I almost pour all this thing on the floor. It was so annoying. But guys, this is how my hair looks like after the rubber thread we did last 2 weeks, I guess. We decided to I decided to just pamper my hair with this deep conditioner, and I didn't have any deep conditioner. My brand Kenny's Naturals does not produce deep conditioner for now, so I'm just like, okay, let me just mix my rinse out conditioner, my hair butter, my hair oil, and that's going to give me my deep conditioner. So I hope that makes sense. But this is my hair is really dry, so I'm going to wet it with water first, and I apply my deep conditioner, my homemade deep conditioner. All right, so make sure when you're applying this, make sure it is touching every I say every English is hard. Okay, make sure it is touching every part of your hair, like every single strand. Take your time to massage this ingredient into your hair. Like I always say, this is the major part. Make sure every bit of your hair is enjoying this treatment. And guys, you guys know that this comb this particular comb is my favorite comb in the world now. It's my favorite comb. Anyways, guys, so when you're done, just twist it up and continue with the rest of the section of the hair. And so I must say this: if you have a already made deep conditioner that you have bought from whether any brand, you can as well use this without adding anything. But because the conditioner I have was just a rinse out conditioner, I decided to add those products. Do you get? Okay, this is the last strand, and as you can see, initially I was trying to manage the deep conditioner, and I'm like, I'm not going to use this. I have to finish this deep conditioner, so I actually poured a lot on my hair. And so I twisted the last strand, and this is what my hair looks like after applying it to every part of my hair. I make sure I still put my hand around my hair because I want every part of my hair to get this treatment. So guys, I bought this processing cap because I don't want to keep using nylon. Some people have abused me tire. So I got 100 pieces of this processing cap for 2,000 naira, guys. 2,000 naira. So I also bought this eating cap. This is the very first time I'm trying this eating cap. I can't lie to you guys. This is the very first time. So I want to just test it, if it is overrated, if it is underrated. I don't know. Let me just try it and see. So this is how it comes. It comes with this switch, high, low, and off. And that place when you have the power button is where the light indicator when you plug it into the light or anything. You understand what I mean? So guys, people already said that I don't need to wear this processing cap when wearing this cap because it has like a nylon cover, something like a silicone nylon cover, and that is the main eating cap. Okay, but because I'm just somebody that doesn't like it and I'm trying this for the first time, so I just had to double protect my hair since I don't have a protectant. I don't know if that makes sense, but I was just so scared of using this on my hair because I'm trying this for the first time. Even in the salon, I've never put my hair in any dryer or anything because I don't like it. But this is about 30 minutes after I tried this, and guys, this particular thing is not overrated, guys. It is working. I'm going to show you guys how my hair looks, okay? But this is how the inner looks. Like I said earlier, this cap is not overrated. It worked. It actually worked for my hair. So remember, guys, that we added butter to our deep conditioner, right? So the butter has melted, and for you to know that this eating cap worked, look at how the thing is dripping down my look at, can you see that? Oh god, it is working, guys. I'm not even joking. Although I started with the low button, and I used that for like 10 minutes. I saw that it was not really working, so I used the I one. So this is another method for you guys that don't have the heating cap just yet. So if you're saying, oh, do I have to have a heating cap? No, it's not compulsory, but if you want to use this method, just that you will stay a little bit longer than the hours, or sorry, the minutes I stayed under the, oh my god, why am I missing my words? Okay, but you guys understand what I'm saying. So if you want to do this one, you have to stay under this for like, I think 45 minutes. Yeah, I don't know, I'm running for water. I'm actually cold on this particular day, but I need to wash this off my hair, right? So long story cut short, I washed the conditioner off my hair, and then I applied my shampoo. Just went about doing my normal wash day routine. And guys, I'm going to show you the end result of this hair. This is how it looks like when I just rinse out the deep conditioner, and then this is how my hair looks like. Oh my god, like anytime I just wash my hair just gives me this joy. I don't know, but guys, you notice something? Anytime I pour water on my hair before now, it always shrinks like a whole lot. You're not even seeing it on my head again, but I don't know what is happening. My hair is just looking very fluffy. This is it now, dried out. Shrinkage, right? But it is looking very fluffy, very juicy, very oh my god, I'm so in love. So that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. I love you, but God loves you more. Mwah.